And me. So many ways where I want it for you, my love. Now you want to return, it's my love. See all the little good things you do, they make me no. This distance is taking a hold of me for sure. Baby, come. I want to make me dance. Girl, I want to make you. Oh, no. I better make you. Oh, no. I want to make me dance. Oh, no. Girl, I want to make you. Oh, no. I better make you. Pull over. Come on, pull over. Should be not this kind of things where they make man see ya. And me. So many reasons where I want it for you, my love. Now you want to return, it's my love. See all the little good things you do, they make me no. This distance is taking a hold of me for sure. Baby, come. I want to make me dance. Girl, I want to make you. Oh, no. I better make you. Oh, no. I want to make me dance. Oh, no. Girl, I want to make you. Oh, no. I better make you. Pull over. Come on, pull over. Should be not this kind of things where they make man see ya. And me. So many reasons where I want it for you, my love. Now you want to return, it's my love. See all the little good things you do, they make me no. This distance is taking a hold of me for sure. Baby, come. I want to make me dance. Girl, I want to make you. Oh, no. I better make you. Oh, no. I want to make me dance. Oh, no. Girl, I want to make you. Oh, no. I better make you. Pull over. Come on, pull over. Should be not this kind of things where they make man see ya. And me. Hi guys, good morning. So I've been able to clear up my space because yesterday I was swimming early in the morning and then my phone was showing me memory. Is it memory full or space full? Something like that. And then I tried to delete like most of my videos from CapCut and other space. Yet I didn't have enough space to. Okay, yet it was still showing me the same thing. And thank God I've been able to do that right now. And again, yesterday I was rushing to my son's school. I went to his school, which I will still be going to his school today. Like, tell me why a teacher will always knock. Is it knock or conk a child of 5 years? Like repeatedly, not once, not two. This boy have been complaining, and I don't want to go to his school, and with that anger in my mind. So I decided to, calm myself down, let it go for weeks, and he keeps complaining the same thing. Then I have to go to his school yesterday, and then when I asked the teacher, she apologized. But somehow I don't know how the Reverend Sister get to hear about the news, and she invited me as I was going. She sent someone to come and call me when I was almost going out of the school. I have to go back to her office, and then I told her that, please, I'm already running late to my shop. It was already after 11. market opened by 8:30. So I thought I'll come back today. So I'm going back to the school today. If you ask me if I want to go back to the school, I really do not want to go back because the teacher have apologized. Like, just that. A simple apology for knocking this boy for almost every time he does something in the class. If you don't have that mind to accommodate children, if you don't have patience for children, why are you teaching children? Why not go and do business? Because even the grown-up ones in secondary school behave some kind of way sometimes. That is why they are called children. But you guys, I don't know. The film when I was filming yesterday, it was supposed to be a silent vlog. Hence, I'm still going to join it with this one. Maybe it will come before this one, because nowadays we don't have light. Many people complain of light, and most times I don't film cooking content now because of my food, and usually in the morning before I go to my shop, which I still use to prepare, but with generator close to my kitchen, and because of that noise. So whenever I want to film a video now, if not during the weekend, it has to be a silent vlog. Yeah, so that is basically, I was filming, but I could not finish the filming. But no content is waste. Okay, I'll still have to put it inside this. So let me go and get ready and go to the school before school. Now is almost to 9, and I told them I'll be coming before 9:30. So it means I'm not going to do anything in the house. When I go inside the house now, I'll just take my bath and head straight out to the school, from school to the shop. I'll talk to you guys later. Hey you guys, I finished from the school. I'm heading to the shop. My face is looking some kind of way. Like, I practically wear this gown today because I am going to school. So that is what I'm wearing for today. I'm here, I'm almost at the market. I just thought I should keep you guys updated. So let me show you guys. See, I'm waiting for my sales girl to come and collect the key while I go to the car park to go and park my car. My face is looking some kind of way. I don't understand, but yeah, I'm excited, and today's gym went very, very well. Open it.
Good morning.
Good morning. Take here. Carry that food for me. Carry that food for me. I better not go keep on anyhow. Honestly, there is no enough space at the park. Like, I couldn't find a space to park my car, but I'm just parked at front of someone else's car. It only means one thing. What it means that I will have to come out on time to come and move my car for them. That is what it means. So let's go to the shop. I'll talk to you guys later.